like they have Loctite on them, so they're going to be kind of not difficult, but they'll give you a little bit of resistance when you're trying to get them off. So, and I'll probably end up using some blue Loctite on these when I put the new regulator back in. I don't think it needs red, but probably not red like you'd buy from the store anyways, because if that were the case, I would probably need heat to get these off, which that would be totally ridiculous to, you know, put something like this on with red Loctite. Yeah, so it's those three right there. You don't need to take anything else off. And then these two here and here. After you get this off, all regulator assembly should come out. Now you need to just kind of pop this out of here. This is being kind of difficult because I have the window that's in there. It was kind of pushing down on the mechanism. This is the tricky part, because this is where you have to kind of move your assembly around and everything inside of the compartment inside the door, and get it into a position where you can get it out. So what you do now, see, look, you can see where the case is broken on it. Definitely broken. So you can see there's a roller in there that moves back and forth, and there's supposed to be a cable end that goes in here right there, and what that does is it pulls the cable one way or the other, and it lifts this mechanism up and down here. It goes around like that, and this mechanism slides up and down on this track. So that's a common thing that breaks on these. This style, I should say. Chevy, GM, you know, they use a little bit different setup. I've done those before too, but actually I'd rather do this. This is a bit easier of a setup to repair or replace.